Hi friends, I am Ankit and today I will show you how to download contacts from Gmail account. Friends, as we all know, all the contacts on which we send emails are auto saved in our Gmail account. Also, if you have synced your mobile contacts, then all the contacts saved on your mobile phone are also saved in your Gmail account. As all this contact information is important, so it's really important to download and save it time to time. So to download all the contact list from your Gmail account, you simply need to click on the Google Apps section in your Gmail account. Here you need to click on contacts. Now in contacts, if you want to download all the email address on which you have sent emails, then you simply need to click on other contacts. Now here you need to select any contact and on the upper menu you need to select all. After selecting all email addresses, you need to click on these three dots and here you need to click on export. Now click on export again. Now open this file. Now here you will find all the email addresses on which you have sent email from your Gmail account. Like this, if you want to download all the contacts which are synced from your mobile phone, then you simply need to click on contacts. In contacts, you need to click on export and click on export again. Now open this file. Now friends, here you will find all the mobile numbers and contact details you have saved in your mobile phone. So friends, like this you can very easily download contacts from Gmail account. I hope you find this video useful. If you like the video, then press on like button and don't forget to subscribe our channel and press on bell icon to receive email notifications free of cost.